Coffee time. Good morning, guys. Blessed Sunday, everyone. So I got coffee here, and then this is my pandesal. It's been in the freezer for a while, so let's warm it. I missed my pandesal, and I think I've got only 3 left. So binawasan ko ng isa, dalawa na lang ang nandoon. I'm gonna warm this in the microwave. This is still very, very good. Kahit ilang, na to, months sa freezer, guys. I'm gonna show you. This is still very good. Tanggalin natin sa very hard, oh. Still very hard. Then I'm gonna put some towel on top. It's a damp towel. I'm gonna wet it up a little bit. Ayan. And then we're gonna warm it. There you go. 1 minute first. Then we'll see. So let's check. It's done. Let's see. Ayan, guys. Oh. Ang lambot na niya. Ang lambot. Ang sarap. It's hot. There you go. Yan ang pandesal, guys. Look. It's very good. This pandesal is very soft. Talaga ang ingredients na ito, guys, is very, very good. Hindi tinipid, kaya masarap. So, ayan na, guys. Oh, I'm gonna show you. See? Pakasarap na ito, guys. Tingnan mo naman. Ang lambot. Diba? Talagang premium ang mga ingredients ng aking pandesal, guys. Yung mga lambot. Look. Sarap. Parang bagong luto siya. Parang yung bagong hain sa oven. Very good, guys. Coffee. Bye!